Yeah. 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 Whoa. Shy. Yeah. I feel like Bird, Jordan, and Magic. Shaq with the Magic. Yeah. I feel like Bird, Jordan, and Magic. Shaq with the Magics. I feel like Alistair with the Magic. I'm black, got power like flipping the light switch. Teeth marks on my style, cause these rap niggas bite shit. Damn, I rap for niggas who's artsy and thugged out. I rap for niggas that's crippy and blooded out. I rap for women that'll smack you in your mouth for calling a queen a bitch. Really, that's just not in style. Yeah, I play the game like creative player. Fuck the fame, need the paper, then it's see you later. Peace. I play the cutty when I'm on the acid. Yeah, I'm flicking cookie brand white ashes. Come from the city where niggas blasted, but I still find the beauty within all the madness. Brought the mask, sensitized to all the caskets. Able enough, I put my eggs in one basket, make a big omelet.
Better in my sleep,
writing verses before you get up.
I be yawning when they going in.
This shit just don't impress much.
Uncle free from the jail.
Steadily throwing up the set, cuz
I'm just trying to get this bread.
Don't give a fuck about who next up.
I do better in my sleep,
writing verses before you get up.
I be yawning when they going in.
This shit just don't impress much.
Uncle free from the jail.
Steadily throwing up the set, cuz
I'm just trying to get this bread.
Don't give a fuck about who next up.